Hi everyone, let's talk about shade gardening. And this combination is going to brighten up any shady spot. Trust me. So I'm going to start with a hosta that has chartreuse leaves and the dark green. And then we're going to play off of that with other foliage. So in the shade garden in the summer, we need to be looking at leaf texture and leaf color to create interest. So this is a nice bold broad leaf, and so we need to pair that with something that has a smaller leaf. Here's an epimedium. This one is just the straight species, Epimedium this is barrenwort, but look at those flowers that it gets in the spring. It's also called fairy wings. But the colors of this in the summer, and it will intensify in the fall. It's just a wonderful, wonderful shade plant. But together they look really great, these two leaves and colors of the leaf in the garden. And then what if we combine another hosta? This is called Drop Dead Gorgeous. This is going to actually get really wide. So it's a low 30 inches, gets a white flower. Let's see if it's fragrant. Not so much, but but see the variegation in the hosta leaf still has some of that chartreuse, but now it's on the outside of the leaf. So together, these plants, if we put them together, this one is Rainforest Sunrise. See how nice that looks? And then I'm going to suggest that we add in a couple more plants. How about a fern or something with fern-like foliage like an astilbe? So it's a totally different leaf shape, leaf texture, plus in the summer it gets these purpley pink flowers, which I think looks amazing with chartreuse. All right, so if you want something that flowers in the shade, astilbe is your go-to. And then extending that into the spring on the front end, I would add in some primula. This is a nice little oak leaf one, which is pretty rare actually. And look at, it's blooming in July. Usually these send out their first flush of blooms in April and May. But this one, oak leaf yellow picote, is blooming in July. That's crazy. Oh, and there's one more epimedium I gotta show you, which just also looks really great in this combination. I gotta find it. Look at, it's even got a flower on yet. Look at that. Little itty bitty fairy wing. Little flower. These I guess are the wings. But a really pretty chartreuse foliage that looks great with hostas. So if you're looking for a way to make your hosta garden a little more interesting, pick foliage that is a little different but complementary to that color of hosta that you have. All right, guys, have a great day.